Thanking you for watching my video. I hear that few people are worried about the warning received from Facebook and they have threat to block by Facebook. So today I tell you what does this warning means, why they appear, and what we need to do next, and how we can save ourselves from this blockage. So here we go. So guys, this is my FB profile. So here we go in Rehan Alawala profile. Then we will go to friends option. Here we have three options: suggestions, mutual, and all. I will go to all to show what kind of warnings we receive when we are going to make friends on Facebook. So I will start from Mr. Amir Bhatt. We will add him. So this warning will appear. What he said: only 8 people who you know. Please only send friend requests to people who you know personally. Actually, Facebook is not allow us to make unknown people to be our friend. So what we need to do, we should go to this suggestion option and we will see friend list which Facebook suggests us to make them your friend. So here I will start again to add friends. For example, this Mr. Qadir Mujrim, we will add him. Okay, request send. See, add, request send. Kabul Akbar, request send. Muhammad Arif, add friend, request send. I am randomly sending them friend request continuously because I want to see, I want to show you what kind of message Facebook will show and what is the disadvantage of sending friend request like this. Adil Abid, add friend. See, here is the warning. What is this warning? Unable to send friend request. This person has reached the friend request limit and can't accept anymore. So guys, actually this message appears because this particular person already reached his limit. What is that limit? That is 5,000 friends. He has already 5,000 friends, so he cannot make more friends. So what we can do next to make him our friend? We should go to his profile and then we go to see. When I click on add friend, I am starting to follow him, and whatever he will share, this will appear to me. We will go to message and we will type here our message introduction and we'll send him message for send request. While sending this friend request, we need to take care that we should only introduce ourselves and write the things which is helpful for him, what he thinks is good for him. Okay, not we think this is good for him, this is good for me. And don't show your need in first meeting. And please make sure, don't write please add me, please add me, please add me. It's feel like a begging. So better to change your statement like, okay, if you add I will be glad to be your friend, I will be feel happy to be your friend, I will be thanking you if you add me in your friend list, like this. No. And one more message, I already take a screenshot of that message, which is can't send friend request. You have sent 1,000 friend requests that people have not responded to yet. You will need to cancel some of the requests you have sent before you can send new ones. Okay, this message appears because you have sent 1,000 messages which is not approved by the received persons. So after this warning, you cannot send any request to anyone. So when this warning appears, we should click see friend request. So then once you click on see friend request, this list will appear. Here you will start to undo all these friends. Once you undo all these friends, and one by one you can send them a friend request easily. But guys, before sending any request, you should take care of few points which will helpful to you and avoid Facebook to block you. What is that? You should make your profile impressive. You should your own picture here which looks good and show your face clearly. Okay, and don't put any animals and butterflies and like this other things, so it feels like dummy and fake profile. So here we have one cover photo on Facebook. Facebook give us this page to show your message to the world. It is for marketing purpose. You can give your any message whatever you want to say. Okay, like this I put this cover photo which is saying my 2017 resolution: learn, teach and earn, सीखो सिखाओ कमाओ. I want to show the world this message that I want to teach them whatever I learned which helps them to earn good. Okay, after this picture, and you can give any other message whatever you want to show the world. ठीक है. After this you can see after your picture downside you can see here is one statement is written. I love to learn new things and share the same to all who needs. Okay, you should put a few statements like this and tell them people about you, so they can know you and give you complete details, so they can recognize you and they have no fear to add you. And one more thing, you should not send 10 to 20 friend requests per day to avoid any blockage from Facebook. If you like this video, you should share them to others. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like my page on Facebook. You can find links down below of this video. If you have any comments and query, you can send me message down side. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.